description that he's talking about, in order for it to be congruent and relevant, obviously the keywords and the tags need to be in the description, okay? And it needs to be a description that automatically engages the people that you want to download.
Engages.
Okay? So there's two audiences you're looking at there. You're looking at the Play Store bots that crawl the app to make sure that the optimization is right. Okay. All right. And what gives optimization life from the bots is when they engage in your app. Okay. The minute somebody engages it in the Play Store, it gets a check mark by the crawler. All right. And it passes on to the next litmus test that the crawler puts in front of it. And all this is automated except for the live person that you want to have your app on their cell phone. And that description has to engage them. All right. That is the first move to creating the engagement piece before they even download your app. You're engaging them in what benefit you have or that app has for them.